Prism is also induced in any prescription lens whenever the line of sight does not pass directly through the optical center of the lens. A plus lens is thick in the center and thin at the edges, and may be considered a collection of prisms, base to base. The point where the bases meet represents the optical center. As long as the line of sight passes through the optical center, no prism is induced. But as the wearer looks off-center, some prism is induced. A minus lens is thin at the center and thick at the edges. It may be considered a collection of prisms apex to apex. The point at which the apices meet is the optical center. Again, as soon as the wearer looks off-center, some prism is induced. The amount of prism induced by looking off-center in a prescription lens is a function of the decentration, or distance off-center, and the power of the lens. It can be calculated using something called Prentice rule. Delta equals CF, where delta equals prism power in diopters, C equals decentration in centimeters, and F equals lens power in diopters. It is this induced prism that causes the movement of the image of the crossed Meyers on the reticle as you move the lens around. It's important that you check for induced horizontal or vertical prism caused by improper optical center placement in completed eyewear.